So for the tonometer leveler, what we decided was that playing continuous pitches would be able to allow somebody to get feedback quickly on the position of the or the force on each of the pins. So then the idea is that when they're playing in unison, you'll be able to tell that because it doesn't sound like dial-up internet at that point. It sounds like a constant tone. But then the scattered sound shows you that it's not level. And the theory was that you'd be able to tell harmonies and tell like what pin was lower if there were 3 separate channels playing. But what ended up happening with the piezo buzzer is that wasn't really very clear. 3 channels here, we have 3 inputs going into the single channel in the op amp, and this is a 4-channel op amp, but we're only using 1 channel, and the op amp has a gain to undo the averaging effect of these 3 inputs. You can hear it destabilizing, and then when you push all of them, you see they come into agreement. And then there are a few different pitches you can level it at.
We tried to make them as level as possible so that when you're actually using this device, having these 3 be at the same height would mean that the device is level. They're fairly close. They're a little bit off. They go into here and you can kind of see force sensors down at the bottom, and as these are pressed, that's what's producing the output tones on the speaker, and they get pressed as these go in. And when they're all pressed equally, the idea is that you get your system to be level and you get a nice tone out of it as opposed to it sounding just sort of like noise.